Hello Security Tube. In a previous video, we had looked at the Social Engineers Toolkit. So in that, the basic premise is that we know the email addresses of a couple of gullible users in a given organization. And once we have those list of emails, we go ahead and send the malicious attachment such as a PDF or something else to those users, which they open, click and get infected, and thus we are able to penetrate into their network. So the first question arises that for an organization where we do not know some of the internal users, how do we go about finding their email addresses? So one good way is by trying to find email addresses on search engines such as Google, Yahoo and Bing. The simple reason for that is that most companies would be interacting with people in the public over various forums, mailing lists, etc. And that is where they might have inadvertently given away their email addresses, which are consequently mined by search engines and made searchable. So in this video, we will look at how to use the Metasploit framework to go ahead and gather email addresses for a particular domain. So we are in the MSF console and we do a search for gather. So MSF is now going ahead searching, and basically the search results gives us a module which is basically gather/search email collector. Right, so let's go ahead, use that. Let's now actually look at the options. So as we can see, the first option is we have to provide a domain, then an out file if required, and then basically it's going to search Bing, Google and Yahoo. So let's go ahead and set the domain to cisco.com. So if you notice in the video, the current setting says cisco.com because I did a quick trial before shooting this video. By default, basically there was nothing there. And once we've done that, now let's go ahead and clear the screen and run. So basically now Metasploit search email collector module is searching Google for email addresses from cisco.com. And it's extracted those email addresses and now it's searching Bing. So basically it's doing automated queries to these search engines, and from those results it is mining email addresses. So as one can guess, it basically has various search patterns which email addresses generally would have. Now finally it's searching Yahoo to get the email addresses. So let's wait for it. So now it's extracting these email addresses and voila, we have a huge list. So now if you look at it, the result says we've located 46 email addresses in a matter of minutes for the domain cisco.com. Right, and these are the email addresses. If we wanted, we could have simply logged them to a file as well. Some of these seem to be for support forums where, probably multiple users are subscribed to. So as one can clearly see in this demo, basically it is very simple, given an organization name, to find email addresses within the organization. Now we can be more specific, such as giving a subdomain for a much larger company, where if we want, we could target a specific business unit. Anyway, this video just shows how easy Metasploit has made it to harvest email addresses. So well, that's all for this video. Please leave a comment behind, would really appreciate that. So look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.